In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Repl project from Replit as a zip file. If you've built something in Replit and want a local copy to back up, share, or continue in your favorite editor, downloading the project as a zip is the quickest way to go. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll also point out what to expect along the way so there are no surprises. First, open your project in Replit. Head to your Replit dashboard and click into the specific RPL you want to download. Give the workspace a second to load fully so all files are visible. If you're working with a larger project, a stable internet connection helps, and it's best not to close the browser tab during the download. Now, look to the left side of the workspace for the File Explorer. At the top of that panel, you'll see a heading labeled Files. Right next to that heading is a small three-dot icon. This icon opens the Options menu for file actions. If you don't see the Files panel, try widening the sidebar or clicking the Files label to expand it so the three dots appear. Click the three-dot icon and select Download as Zip from the drop-down menu. The moment you click, Replit starts packaging your entire project, including folders, code files, and configuration files, into a single compressed zip. For big projects, this may take a moment. Keep your tab open and let it finish. Your browser will then save the zip to your default downloads location. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a prompt asking where to save, or it may start downloading automatically. You can check the browser's download manager to confirm progress, and it's a good idea to rename the zip afterward so it's easy to find later. Once the zip has finished downloading, extract it to access your files. On Windows, right-click the zip and choose Extract All. On macOS, just double-click the zip to unpack it. On many Linux distributions, you can right-click and select Extract here. After extraction, you'll have a regular folder containing your full project structure. You can move that folder anywhere on your computer, open it in an editor like VS Code, or add it to version control. That's all it takes. Open your RPL, use the Files menu, download a zip, and extract locally. With these steps, you'll have a clean, portable copy of your project ready for offline work, backups, or sharing.